guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I will be showing you some of the products that I bought from Purplle. So it will be a Purplle haul, and every product that I bought is under rupees 500, and most of them are actually under rupees 300 or 200. So it is a very affordable haul. So very quickly let us move on to the video. First product that I bought from Purplle is the Garnier Micellar Water. So this is a very important product for someone who uses makeup. So this is the first product. I don't think I have to explain it furthermore because everyone knows about this. And also the cost of this is rupees 139. So now moving on to the next product, that is the white kajal from Stay Quirky. So this is their packaging. It's really quirky, to be very honest, and the price that I paid for this kajal is rupees 161. It claims to be smudge proof and long lasting. Let us see the inner packaging. So this is the pencil. The cap is really sturdy and tight. This is the best thing I found in this kajal because in kajals the cap tends to be very loose. So हम जब उसको कैरी करते हैं there is a chance that कि वो जो product है वो टूट जाए, but this is very much sturdy. So this is the amount of kajal you will be getting. इन प्रोडक्ट्स के जो क्वांटिटी है, द क्वांटिटी इज़ मेंशन्ड ऑन देयर वेबसाइट, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक आउट. मैंने इंडिविजुअली प्रोडक्ट्स की जो क्वांटिटी है मैंने वो नहीं निकाला है. सो इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन चेक इट ऑन देयर वेबसाइट. यू कैन डाउनलोड देयर ऐप एंड यू कैन चेक इट देयर. सो दिस इज़ द काजल एंड लेट मी शो यू द पिगमेंटेशन. So the pigmentation is bomb. So in only one stroke you can see how much pigmented the kajal is. The next product is foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. This time I bought it in the shade 230 because your skin color will vary according to winter season and summer season because of tanning and all those stuff. I wanted to try some different shades from the Maybelline Fit Me foundation range, so that is why I bought this, and it is also with SPF 22, which is a great thing. I think ये उनका थोड़ा upgraded version है of the foundation, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I am wrong. The price I paid for this foundation is rupees 412. The next product is a translucent powder from Stay Quirky. I am not giving each and every detail of these products because ये video बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. I have a lot of products to show, so that is why I am not going into details. If you want a detailed video on any of this product, then you can definitely comment down. I am ready to do a detailed video on any of this product if you want. So yeah, I was talking about the translucent powder from Stay Quirky. So this is their longer love making translucent powder in the shade 06, and the price I paid for this one is rupees 262. The MRP of this product are slightly higher than what I paid for them because Purplle में आपको discounts ज़रूर मिलेंगे on every product. So if you buy from Purplle you will be getting it in lesser price. So let me show you the inner packaging. So this is the inner packaging of the product. To be honest, I expected it to be slightly bigger because compared to the Blue Heaven's translucent powder, it is really small, and the price I paid for the Blue Heaven one was very less than what I paid for this. And also you are not getting a puff along with it. I don't know if I am the only one who haven't received a puff, or they generally do not send a puff along with the powder. I don't know. I am not understanding the logic behind it. This is the sieve through which the powder will be coming out. So here is I have to remove the cover actually. Just give me a second. This is the powder. Talking about the texture, I think I like the Blue Heaven one slightly more than this one. Overall, a decent product. So this is the translucent powder from Stay Quirky. The next product that I bought from Purple is their NYBay Sunset Skyline Blush. So this is their packaging and their shade is Cloudy Pink 02. The price of this product is rupees 169. I got it for rupees 168 because of some discounts. So this is the packaging of the blush. It's really cute and classy. Oh, the MRP is rupees 230. It is lightweight formulation, blends effortlessly, versatile finish, mineral oil free, vegan friendly and paraben free, which is quite nice for the product. And this is their product. This is really cute but quite small. The quantity is less. This is the product. Oh, this is the shade. I don't think you'll be able to see the swatch because the color is really light and it's cloudy actually. That is why we won't be able to see, but it blends really well on your skin and I think it will look good on the face. The next product is their NYBay Shine and Shimmer Highlighter. It is in the shade 3, Rustic Rose Gold. The price of this, the price that I paid for this one is rupees 261 and the MRP is 275. So because of discount, it is also mineral oil free and paraben free. And this is the inner packaging. The cover is transparent, so you will be able to see the shade through it. The quantity of this highlighter is similar to that of the blush, so the quantity is same. I really love the shade. Let me show you this swatch. Oh wow, it's pigmented. This is really nice and it really blended into my skin well. This will give a very natural glow to your skin actually. I quite like this highlighter. It's definitely a product you should try. Very recently discovered the highlighter and the blush. So I think these are their new launches. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now we will be moving on to the next product, that is the Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows 3 Brows Brow Powder plus 1 Wax Cream Palette. So the packaging is really classy and seems luxurious and the writing is a sort of holographic thing going on. The packaging itself took my heart. Let me show you the inner packaging. Oh wow, just see the packaging, it's beautiful. So according to this product, there are 3 brow powders along with 1 wax cream, which is great. The shade number is 02 for this palette. Actually there are quite a wide range of shades available for this type of brow kits from Swiss Beauty, which is commendable. Oh wow, it comes with a mirror and a thin angled brush so that we can apply it on our brows. And there are 3 shades. These 3 shades are brow powders and this is a wax gel so that you can set your brows. The price that I paid for this product is only rupees 187. The MRP is obviously higher than this, but I got it at rupees 187, which is a steal deal. I just want to see the pigmentation. Oh wow, pigmentation is quite nice. I like it. The next product is a primer from NY Base. This is their blurring primer. Minimizes pores, blends like a dream, hydrating in nature. So this is their primer. I wasn't expecting it to be this tiny, but it is what it is. So this is their primer. The price that I paid for this one is rupees 183, and the MRP is not written here. The MRP of the product is rupees 215, but I paid rupees 183 for this primer. The primer is a clear gel. I will definitely try comparing this to the Inside Cosmetics primer. If you want a video separately on this, you can comment down below. The next product is the eyeshadow palette. I love NY Bay eyeshadow palette. So this is their new launch. They have launched, I think, 5 to 4 palettes, mini eyeshadow palettes, and this is their shade number 1, that is the Midnight Magic. I wanted some dark eyeshadows. That is the reason I bought this palette. You will be getting palettes which are of pink shades, red shades, etc. So the links of these products will however be mentioned on my description box. You can check it out. And if you want to see the other shades of these mini palettes, you can check it on their app or their website. So I won't be swatching the shades because I will be making an entire video using this palette. So there you will be able to understand clearly about this palette, and I will be giving my honest opinion how I feel about this palette. So stay tuned for that video. The price of this product is rupees 255 and the MRP is 299. So a mini palette which is at around rupees 250 is a great deal, because आज की डेट में आपको आई शेडोज 500 के नीचे मिलना is very much rare. So as a beginner, if you want to try out some eyeshadows on yourself, then you can start with these type of palettes. The next product is NY Bay HD Spotless Liquid Concealer. It is in their shade 03. So this is their concealer. The applicator is really comfortable to use. You can see it's really flexible. The coverage is medium, not full coverage. It's a very nice concealer for beginners and for everyday looks. It is water resistant and it is rich in almond oil and vitamin E oil. So a very good concealer for your face. The price of this concealer is rupees 166, which is quite affordable for a concealer like this. The next is the NY Bay Alice Island Eyeliner. So it is a thin brush for perfect lines, quirky dry formula, water resistant, smudge proof, one stroke application and highly pigmented. So let me show you the inner packaging. The MRP is however rupees 175 and I bought it at rupees 165, so 10 rupees less. So this is their eyeliner. The packaging is really impressive. The cap is quite longer, which will give you a very nice grip on the applicator. The brush is also quite thin. Let me see the pigment. Oh wow, it's quite pigmented. It is also a matte eyeliner, so we will let it dry for a minute. It really dries up really quicker than the Lakme Insta Liner. And it is smudge proof. And the last products are lipsticks. So let me start with the NY Bay liquid lipstick. This is their Confession of a Lipaholic Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick. I bought it in the shade Mugs and Hugs 12. It remains out of stock because this is a lipstick which is in a great demand. So if you want, just quickly grab it, or else it will go out of stock very quickly. So this is the lip color. It is a very beautiful brownish nude shade. The price that I paid for this lipstick is rupees 123, and the MRP is was something around rupees 178 or something, so a great discount. Let me show you the swatch. So this is the shade. It is a really beautiful nude shade and I really love this color. The next lipstick is from Purple. So it's a mini liquid lipstick. The price of this lipstick is rupees 116. It is in the shade 9, my first bay. It is so cute and the color is awesome, you guys. So this is the shade. It has a peachy sort of tone to it, which gives you a very pretty look. So the next lipsticks are from Blue Heaven. So the first one is there. What's the shade? This is their Ruby Glow RMO3. So this much product you will be getting. It is quite matte. So let me show you the swatch. This is the shade. It's very beautiful color. If you want matte bullet lipsticks which are affordable and are good for your lips, then you can definitely try out the Blue Heaven's powder matte bullet lipsticks. So this is the one, and the next bullet lipstick is also from Blue Heaven in the shade in the shade Mahogany Moments B03. It's a nude shade. So this is the one. The quantity will be obviously similar. This much is the quantity. Let me show you the swatch. This is the shade. It's a very beautiful nudish brown shade. So the last product that I bought from Purple is a lip gloss from René. I really wanted to try the products from René, so I bought this lip gloss from them. It is in their shade Pucker Up Peach. So this is the lip gloss. Let me show you the inner packaging. The bottle is quite small. The price that I paid for this one is rupees 298. So I expected the bottle to be a little bit larger because almost rupees 300 I paid for this one. So I actually expected it to be a little bit more bigger. अगर मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन के हिसाब से वो क्वांटिटी नहीं होता है ना, मुझे मतलब I feel really disappointed. But the shade is so lovely. This is the shade I'm wearing right now, the lip gloss. Solely I'm wearing the lip gloss, no lipstick. This is the shade and I am loving it. It has a tint of peach. It stays for a really long period of time. So I quite like this product. So I think I'll be trying some more products from René. So this is their lip gloss. And yes guys, this is all that I bought from Purple. So I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. My channel is about to reach 1k, so help me reach 1k as soon as possible. I'll be the happiest. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with new videos. So stay tuned for my next videos. Till then, bye bye.